Hello, people. Welcome back to my channel. How to lose weight fast. Okay, today I'll be reviewing the product which is Metabofix. It's a weight loss supplement, and as I said, I always research. Then only I recommend the product. Without research or without checking the customer reviews, I don't recommend any product just like that. Okay. So what I am recommending you, this is foolproof, genuine research, and after checking all the websites, then I'm recommending you this product. This is known as Metabofix. It's a weight loss supplement. Okay, metabolism management formula. It's like this. See, if you have a weight problem, weight loss problem, do you have a weight problem? Do you believe that your weight problems are bringing your self confidence down? Obesity is not just a threat to your physical health. Okay, it can also affect your mental health, such as negative effects on self esteem as well. All right. So, what I mean to say is this product is doing wonders if you want to reduce weight. It will do wonders if you want to reduce weight. Seriously, see, because the reason I am saying, because see the kind of ingredients this product, see, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6. See, thiamine, many additional vitamins such as thiamine help your body utilize carbs as a source of energy. Your metabolism slows down if you don't have thiamine in certain amounts in your body. You will gain weight if you don't use this product, as your body will retain more carbs and fat that it can burn. So this is very much needed for your body. Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6 is very much essential. Vitamin B6 has a significant impact on your body since it is purchased it to use and metabolize every nutritious ingredient you take in. It should be used when your metabolism is slow and your digestive system struggles to break down food to turn it into energy. So what I mean to say is the ingredients, whatever ingredients they are using in this product, it's one of the best ingredients. It works very well for your body. Vitamin B6, folate, biotin, pantothenic acid, chromium. Okay, how to use this? A 30 serving bottle of Metabofix can help accelerate your metabolism and lose weight fast. If you want to get the quicker result, take 2 servings of the supplement each day. It is preferable to mix them with water or any other natural beverage, such as smoothie or juice. See, when it comes to weight loss, drink the second glass after lunch. This will expedite the supplement's effect. Okay, then you will notice how rapidly you are losing weight. So what I'm trying to say is, see, I will show you the original website as well. I have researched a lot, then only I'm recommending, as I said. See, 4-second red juice ritual kills cravings and melts 35 lbs of embarrassing belly fat without strict dieting or any exercise. See, quickly flatten your stomach without exercising or skipping meals. Okay, you don't need to do exercise at all. You don't need to skip your meals. You don't need to go on a fast, on a long diet. Okay, just use the supplement and definitely it will work like wonders. Okay, get an amazing surge of sustainable energy that lasts all day long. Thin out your thighs, shrink your waistline, and slim your hips. Experience improved mental focus and concentration. Melt away even the most stubborn hormonal belly fat after 45. Okay, see, this is the original website, I mean, official website. Okay, you can go through this website. Whatever it is mentioned, it is genuinely mentioned. Okay, it is genuinely mentioned. You can go through the website, and the best part of it is it has got a money back warranty. It has got a money back guarantee. See, this is how the website looks. All right. See, one bottle will require only $69. All right, $49 you will save if you go for this. The second one, the 3 bottles, the 6 bottles will cost you $39 per bottle. You save $360. So what I mean to say is this is the official website, and this is the most commonly question that people ask: will Metabofix work for someone my age? See, they have had people in the 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond get amazing life changing results. That's because as you get older, your mitochondria slow down and die off, which makes it harder for your body to break down calories and fat. However, when you get the right mix of nutrients to fix this, you can start burning fat again. and it seems to work better the older you are. Okay. See, if you don't get the result, simply just email them and you will get a full and prompt refund with no question asked. Okay, with no question asked, you will be getting the full refund. All right. So go through this website, and if you are serious and want to reduce weight, then Metabofix supplement is one of the best to reduce weight. I would highly recommend you. I always recommend those products which are genuine. I research a lot through different websites. Okay, through different websites, and plus with my spy tools. Okay, and Strags, with my spy tools, I have different spy tools. So whether this product is working or not, and whether it is FDA approved or not. So this is highly recommended. Go ahead and take action. I have put the link in the description. Check out the link in the description. Okay, you will be redirected to the official website of this Metabofix. Okay, just get in shape and look good, feel good. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Peace.